talk about lost in translation. She told me the guys here trim the tree branches down. Well, he might as well take the whole friggin' tree now.
No. They can grow up again later.
Yeah, but you said he's just cutting some branches down. He cut the whole tree. He might as well cut the whole tree.
Cut a stem out.
A stem, yeah.
Yeah, because when the windy come, a storm come, it doesn't break.
Well, it hasn't broken in the how many years I've been coming here since 2017. It hasn't broke yet.
I cut already one time. It's go up again. That's why you see the line over there. I already cut.
Oh yeah. 300 baht for all that?
Yeah.
That's pretty cheap. The guy's working hard for 300 baht.
How old is he? He's 74 years old.
74, this guy. Is this what he does for a living?
Slim guy, you know.
Well, yeah, that's not easy. How did he get up there? He doesn't even have a ladder.
He just crawl up from the big cement post.
Oh yeah.
Lay over there, you see.
Yeah. And 70 what? 74?
Yeah, 74 years old.
Wow.
I asked him.
I'm 63 and you never catch me up there.
When small people, they climb up easy.
Sure.
He worked for the power plant when they cut a tree.
Oh, he works for Hydro.
Yeah.
To keep the tree branches off the wires.
Yeah.
That's his real job.
Yeah.
Oh, that would explain the purple shirt.
When they need him, they call him something like help.
Oh, okay. Cool.
You know how.
Where's my sword? So when are you going to fix that pipe? Because you're going to need water in the house, right?
Later, after we finish around here.
The main water supply pipe to the house was broken in the process. Nutch was talking about getting the pieces at lunch to fix it. Nancy's father fixed it after he finished work. It's a good thing because after this day was done we all needed showers.
Chainsaw would make this job so much easier. You know anybody with a chainsaw? Firewood. Cooking sticky rice. Sun setting. I'm going to be so sore tomorrow chopping wood with a dull knife. And there was a tree there. I can find I didn't purposely. I should have taken it. She told me she was just having the branches trimmed, but that's a pretty good trim. Anyway, I don't know if I have a photo of that tree when it was full, but a guy came, cut her down to that, and the three of us with blades chopped. This is wood they use for cooking when it dries out, of course. Pretty green still. Those are the leaves and branches we didn't use. Those logs over there probably go to Nancy's father. He's going to come on Saturday with the trailer and haul it away, the green stuff. because there's a no fire ban on until May, but of course we'll be gone in May. And this is where that wood is going to go back here. And this is where they use it to cook, just outside the kitchen window. This is normal for Thai kitchens. Of course we have the gas burner, but they use this probably more. Alright, so now you know, typical Thai kitchen. I am so sore already, I can't imagine what I'm going to feel like tomorrow. I'm going to have to get my wife to do a Thai massage tonight. So try doing that, chopping branches with...
Let me know in the comments if you've ever cut firewood with a machete.
Is there one kicking around I could show you? It's probably dropped a degree because the sun is going down, but it's 37 degrees Celsius right now. So you can well imagine, I probably drank about a gallon of water already, and I feel like I could drink some more. And Nutch is still hard at it with the broom, with the leaves, getting the leaves out of her garden. What's that green light on my screen? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to call it quits right there. Ciao.